Last time you learned Shabda Roop means the 8 forms of a particular origin word. Like take a word Bala. So Bala means boy. It's a Shabda, root word. Although it has a meaning, but it's not useful in a sentence. To make this Bala Shabda in a sentence, you have to put any vibhakti. And last time you discussed about Prathama, Dvitiya and Tritiya. So Prathama means it's a nominative. So when you are using a word, Ajay? Anyone remembers?
Yes.
Parthji, please.
This is Prathama Vibhakti, Prathama Karta. That's what I'm seeing here.
Where we will use Prathama Vibhakti? In what condition we will use Prathama Vibhakti?
Prathama Vibhakti we'll use for referring to
as a subject. When you are using a word as a subject, so you have to put the Prathama Vibhakti. Like your name is Amit, so Amit is the original word, root word. So although it has a meaning, but it's not good to use in a sentence. So to use the Amit word in a sentence and as a subject, then you have to go Amitaha, Amitahu, Amitaha. Balaha, Balahu, Balaha. So Amitaha means one person named Amit. Amitahu means two persons named Amit. And Amitaha means three persons named Amit. So you can say Amitaha khadati, Amit is eating, Amitaha dhavati, Amita is running. So you are using Amit as a subject. For that you have to use the first vibhakti.
Okay.
So there is an example. See, can you read the example? Anyone?
Devaha asman rakshati.
Yeah, good. Devaha asman rakhyati. What do you understand from this?
Asman.
Rakhyati means raksha karna, to protect.
To protect.
Dev protects. Asman means us. So Deva, deity or God, protects us. So that is Devaha asman rakhyati. So here Deva word is used as a subject. Because how to know what is subject? In a sentence, the doer of the verb is called subject. Remember, doer of the verb. Ramaha khadati. So khadati is a verb. So who is doing that verb? Rama. Rama is karta. So that is called kartaya subject. So now Dvitiya. So we use Dvitiya
as an object.
So take some practices. Just go with me. Balaha, balahu, balaha.
Balaha, balo, balaha.
Chhatra.
Chhatra, chhatro, chhatra.
Rama.
Rama, Rama, Rama.
Vriksha.
Vriksha, vriksho, vrikshaha.
Hasta.
Hasta, hasta.
Okay. So now we are taking a ending but neutral. Phalam, phale, phalani. So chitra.
Chitram, chitre, chitrani.
Mastakam. Yeah, chitrani. Good. Because ra is there, so now.
Yes.
Mastaka. Mastaka means head.
Mastakam, mastake, mastakani.
Mastakani.
Good. Netra, eye.
Netram, netrani.
Mukha, mouth.
Mukham, mukhe, mukhani.
Good. So next come, this is a feminine word and it's a ending. So how to use a ending feminine word in Prathama Vibhakti? This is one example. Can you repeat it? Go through it.
Lata,
yeah. So lata means one lata. Late means two lata. Lata means creeper, vine. And lataha means many latas. So put it here. Gita.
Gita.
Bala, girl.
Bala, bale, bala.
Okay, good. So now come to again karma. Karma means object. So
Ditya.
object of the
Ditya
subject. Okay,
Instrument.
Ramah khadati. What does it mean? Ramah khadati.
Ram eats.
Ram eats. So to eat, you need something to eat. Are you getting my point? Until there is something to eat, how can you eat? And whatever you eat, that is your object. So take some example. You are eating rice. So rice is odanam.
Odanam.
Odanam will be used as dvitiya vibhakti. Ramah odanam khadati. Like Lakshmanji learned Sanskrit. So Lakshmana pathati. Is it okay? Lakshmana reads. But what does he read? Sanskrit. So Sanskrit is object. So you have to put Sanskrit in karma dvitiya vibhakti. So it will be, take an example, practice it. Balam balau balan.
Balam balau balan.
balan.
Deva.
Devam
Devan.
Devan.
Th.
Patham. Patho pathan.
Parthan. Amit.
Amitam. Amito. Amitan.
Lakshman.
Lakshmanam.
Lakshmanam. Surya.
Surya.
Suryam.
Suryan.
Okay, so now come to neutral. Napunsak. Phalam phale phalani. Chitra.
Chitrayana.
Chitrani.
Chitrai.
Nahi, Dvitiya vibhakti. Chitram, chitre, chitrani.
Chitram, chitre, chitrani. Okay.
Odanam.
Odanam, udane, udanami.
Udaname. Udanami.
Odanani. Nani. Odanani. Pushpam.
Pushpam.
Pushpani.
Pushpani. Good. Take next topic. Next word is feminine lata. So latam, late, lataha. Sita.
Sitam.
Sitaha.
Sitaha.
Sitaha. Aruna.
Aruna.
Arune.
Arunaha.
Gita.
Gitam.
Gitaha.
Gitaha. Nas. Jihva. Jihva means tongue. Jihva.
Yuvam.
Jivaha.
Okay. So now we'll make some sentences. I eat rice. It means khadami. Aham.
Khadami.
Udanam, khadami.
Okay, I'm going one by one. So first Amit ji answered. Aham odanam khadami. Next I am coming to Arunaji. Rama reads a book.
Ramam.
Ramaha, because Rama is subject.
Subject.
Book is object.
Ramaha pustakam
Pathati.
patati.
Good. Next is Parthaji. Sita. The boy looks at Sita.
Sita, okay. Balakam.
Balakaha, subject.
Sitaya.
Sitam.
Sitam lakshati.
Pashyati.
Pashyati, okay.
Yeah. So Balakaha Sitam Pashyati. So you got it. Okay. Any doubt? Is clear?
No. Balaka Sitam Pashyati, okay.
Okay. So now come to the Tritiya Vibhakti. So Tritiya Vibhakti, if you want to use a word as an instrument or tool, then you have to put that word in third case, and that is called Karana Karaka. And generally in English, you put there by, with, through, etc. First we'll practice, then the roop, then we'll go there. Come to the Tritiya Vibhakti Bala Shabda. Balena. Go with me, say Balena.
बालाभ्याम बालो
बालाभ्याम बालैः.
बालैः.
Okay, Rama.
रामेण
रामाभ्यां रामैः
रामेह
Ramaihi. Can you again practice Ramaihi?
रामैः
रामाभ्यां रामैः.
Okay. Then Vriksha.
So why it is not Rameha, Ramehi?
So Visarga, the pronunciation of Visarga should follow the vowel comes before the Visarga. Like Balaha, Balaha, Balaihi,
लेहि
Balayoh, Balayoh. So whatever sound comes before Visarga, so you have to pronounce that one. So Visarga has only Visarga cannot be pronounced, and it is ah, ih, eh, au. So always Visarga needs a vowel to be pronounced. If a comes before Visarga, then if e comes before Visarga, then e. If u comes before Visarga, then u. So that is the way you have to pronounce. Is it clear?
Okay.
Because here it is eihi, so you have to sound baleihi. So balena balabhyam baleihi. Now tell me griha. Oh, sorry, griha. Okay, griha.
गृहेण
Grihabhyam,
गृहाभ्यां गृहैः.
grehi. Hasta.
हस्तेन
हस्ताभ्याम
हस्तैः.
Netra.
नेत्रेण
नेत्रेण नेत्राभ्याम
नेत्रैः.
नेत्रैः.
So it is falena, falabhyam, falei, balena, balabhyam, balei, the same. So but you need to know the feminine a ending. So go with me. Lataya,
लतया
latabhyam,
लत्याभ्यां
latabhihi.
लताभिः
Yeah. So see, here is e. So visarga follows e. Latabhihi.
लताभिः
Rama. How to make Rama word in Tritiya case?
रमया
रमाभ्यां रमाभिः
Ramabhihi. Okay. Nasika, Nasika,
नास्तिकाया
Nasikaya,
नासिकाभिः
Nasikabhyam, Nasikabhihi. Okay, clear? Okay. So now we'll practice how to use these words in a sentence. I eat with my hand. So hand is my instrument to eat. So the first sentence, aham khadami, with hand, hastena, balena, hastena. Okay, so I'm going one by one. First I'm asking Amit ji. Amit works with feet. Feet means pada. Works means chalati. Amit works with feet.
Okay. So Amitah पदे पदेभ्याम
पादाभ्याम
पदाभ्याम
चलति
चलति.
Good. Okay, Aruna ji. Sita looks with eyes.
सीता
Pashyati.
पश्यति नेत्राभ्यां.
Yeah, done. Netrabhyam. Sita netrabhyam pashyati. Good. Okay, so Parthaji, the dog walks with his leg. Remember, dog has 4 legs, not 2. So leg means pada. Parthaji, dog. Do you know what is the Sanskrit of dog?
कुक्कुटं न
Kukkuraha, shunakaha. शुनकः कुक्कुरः
पादैः
पादैः गुड
पादैः चलति
चलति वेरी गुड तो कुक्कुरः और शुनकः पादैः चलति
what is the other name of the cook dog?
शुनकः
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 शुनकः पादैः चलति
चलति okay so now take another vibhakti then we'll jump to next course chaturthi vibhakti so chaturthi vibhakti is there are two things in chaturthi vibhakti one is there is an act of giving so the receiver should be used chaturthi vibhakti so you have to put chaturthi vibhakti in a receiver so like Rama gives money to Deepak. So Deepak is a receiver of money. So you have to put Chaturthi Vibhakti in Deepak. So first we will practice, then we will come back to understand literally. So come to the Chaturthi Vibhakti. Balaya, Balabhyam, Balebhyah. Practice.
Balebham, Balebha.
Balabhyam, Balebhyah.
Balaya balabhyam balebhyah.
Deva.
Devaya
देवाभ्यां
devebhyah.
देवेभ्यः
Ramesh.
Rameshaya, Rameshabham,
Kabhyam, Rameshebhyah.
Rameshebha.
Yah.
Bharat.
Bharataya,
Aya, Bharatabhyam, Bharatebhyah.
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 Like I told you, neutral words are same as masculine, but still we are taking one. Phalaya, Phalabhyam, Phalebhyah. Pushpa.
Pushpaya, Pushpabham, Pushpebhyah.
Pushpebhyah.
Netra.
नेत्राय नेत्रभ्यां नेत्रेभ्यः
Okay, so now we are taking one feminine word, a ending, and that is first listen me. Lata yei. Can you repeat? Lata yei.
Latayai.
लत्याभ्यां
Latabhyam.
लत्याभ्यः
Latabhyah.
Yeah.
Okay. Rama.
Ramaye,
Ramabhyam. Ramabhyah.
Ramabhyah. Gita.
Gitaye, Gitabhyam, Gitabha.
Gitabhyah. Okay. So now come to the point. So the first thing is the receiver will be in fourth case if there is an act of giving. And the second thing is anything we do for a purpose. So when the purpose should be used in fourth case. Like in English, mostly you use to or for. I take an example. I'm going to office to work or for money. So to work or for money. So work or money will be in fourth case. Work is karya. So it will be karyaya, karyabhyam, karyebhyah. Money means dhana, dhanaya, dhanabhyam, dhanebhyah. So suppose you want to say, I am going to a store for fruit. So for fruit, your purpose is to get food. So it will be phalaya, phalabhyam, phalebhyah. A boy goes to a school for a book. So I eat for taste or for tongue.
Can you repeat in English, sir? What is that?
I eat for taste. I am using, instead of taste, I am using a tongue. Jihva.
Aham jihvayai khadami.
Good. Aham jihvayai khadami. Very good. So now Amitji. So you can use this neutral word. Devi walks for a flower.
Okay. Devi or baby?
Devi. Devi means Devi. It's a name or a divine lady.
Okay, okay. So Devi walks for a flower.
Yeah.
Okay. So this for a flower will be a phalaya.
No, phala means fruit. So flower will be pushpa. So you have to
Pushpakaya.
use pushpaya.
Puspaya. Okay, Puspaya. Okay. So Puspaya.
Chalati.
Huh?
What means chalati? Chalati. Walking.
Chalati. So Devi Puspakaya Chalati.
Yeah. Devi pushpaya chalati.
Puspaya Chalati.
Or you can say Devi pushpaya gacchati. Devi
Gacchati.
goes for a flower. She goes for a flower. Devi pushpaya gacchati. Is it clear?
Yeah.
So, okay. So, this is fourth case. Today we learn up to fourth case.